How to get your Terminated Roblox account back. Google search for appeal Roblox account termination and you want to click on the first link that pops up right here. Now you will scroll down until you see violations and appeals. Click on that. It's going to take you to the appeals section for your account. If you don't see your account here, the ban, you can click on the ban itself and appeal it, or you can select appeal something not shown. And right here, this is very important. Type your email address, which is connected to your banned account, and you want to confirm the email address in this section. The device type, you will use the device which you use to play Roblox. So for example, PC, and the help category type is going to be very important. Moderation, help subcategory, I was wrongfully moderated for my behavior. All right, so right here, you will explain something like, I got wrongfully banned, please review my account termination and unban my account if possible. And you will provide your email address here, so for example gmail.com, and the name, so the name of your account. So I hope this helps. You will then click on continue and you will check your email for updates. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.